Walk into a finished building, and you'll feel the difference. It's not the drywall or the concrete that makes it feel complete and luxurious. It's the woodwork, the custom cabinetry, the intricate moldings, the bespoke built-in furniture. This is the realm of architectural woodwork. The final layer that transforms empty space into a functional, beautiful environment. But this field is shrouded in confusing terms: millwork, casework, rough carpentry. What do they actually mean? And how do you specify these elements to ensure you get a flawless result that stands the test of time? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on high-end woodworks. We'll move beyond basic DIY to explore the professional world of architectural millwork, explaining the different categories, the critical importance of understanding wood movement, the joinery that separates amateur work from master craftsmanship, and the finishing systems that protect it all. By the end, you'll be able to communicate with millwork shops, write precise specifications, and appreciate the incredible skill that goes into creating the wooden heart of a building. Let's start by clearing up the fundamental categories. Architectural woodwork is the umbrella term for all custom-built wood components in a building. Under this umbrella, we have two main divisions. First, millwork. This refers to all the wood elements that are built in and typically finished on site. Think of wall paneling, custom trim and moldings, crown, base, casing, custom doors and windows, stair railings and balustrades, and built-in shelving. Millwork is permanently fixed to the structure and is designed to be an integral part of the architecture. Second, we have casework. This is essentially furniture-grade cabinetry that is often modular and can be either built-in or freestanding. Kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, laboratory casework, and office reception desks are all examples. The key distinction is that casework often uses more standardized sizes and can sometimes be relocated, whereas millwork is truly permanent. A pro tip for architects and designers is to create a separate woodwork section in your specifications to clearly delineate these items from general carpentry, ensuring they are bid on and built by the correct specialized subcontractor. The mark of truly professional woodwork versus amateur carpentry lies in the understanding and execution of joinery and wood movement. Wood is a hygroscopic material. It constantly expands and contracts with changes in humidity. A master woodworker designs and builds with this movement in mind. This is why you'll almost never see a solid wood panel glued rigidly into a frame on a fine piece of furniture. Instead, they use techniques like a frame and panel construction, where a floating panel is set into a grooved frame, allowing the panel to expand and contract without cracking or distorting the entire assembly. Other hallmarks of quality include the use of mortise and tenon joints for strengthened door frames and tables, dovetail joints for drawer construction that can withstand a lifetime of pulling, and pocket hole joinery for strong hidden connections in casework frames. A common and catastrophic drafting mistake is to detail a large, solid wood tabletop or countertop without allowing for expansion gaps at the connections, guaranteeing it will crack or warp within a year. The beauty and durability of woodwork are ultimately defined by two choices: the wood species and the finish. The species choice is a balance of aesthetics, durability, workability, and cost. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut are dense, durable, and beautiful, making them ideal for high-traffic areas, fine furniture, and visible millwork. Softwoods like pine and fir are more economical and easier to work with, perfect for painted millwork where the grain pattern is less important. Then there are the engineered wood products like medium-density fiberboard (MDF) and plywood. MDF is the go-to for painted moldings and panels because it has no grain, providing a perfectly smooth surface. High-quality plywood, often with a decorative veneer face, is the structural backbone of most casework, providing stability and strength without the cost and movement issues of solid lumber. The finish is the protective shield. It can be a penetrating oil that enhances the natural grain, a durable lacquer for a hard, protective film, or a conversion varnish for the ultimate in chemical and scratch resistance. Often used in commercial and laboratory settings, the process for delivering custom woodwork is highly structured and relies on precise documentation. It begins with the architect's design intent, which is then passed to a specialty millwork shop. The shop then produces shop drawings. These are not just copies of the architectural plans. They are highly detailed, dimensioned drawings showing every joint, panel, and hardware location for every single piece of woodwork. Reviewing these shop drawings is a critical step to catch errors before fabrication begins. Accompanying this is the woodwork schedule, a spreadsheet that lists every component, its material, finish, and hardware. The final step is often the approval of a mock-up, a full-size sample of a typical section. Like a wall of office cabinets that sets the quality standard for the entire project before full production begins. This process ensures that the final installed product matches the designer's vision perfectly. To summarize the key takeaways: 1. Millwork is built-in trim and paneling, while casework is cabinetry and built-in furniture. 2. Professional joinery accounts for wood movement using techniques like frame and panel construction. 3. The choice of wood species and finish dictates both the aesthetics and the long-term durability of the piece. And 4. The process is governed by precise shop drawings and schedules to ensure the final product is exactly as specified. Now I want to hear from you. In the comments below, what is the most impressive or challenging piece of architectural woodwork you've ever encountered or been involved with? Was it a complex curved staircase, a vast wall of custom library shelving, or a piece with incredibly intricate inlay work? Your stories highlight the artistry in our industry. If this deep dive into the world of woodworks has given you a new appreciation for the craft, please give this video a like and subscribe.